Welcome back, Scent Squad. Emerald C here with the fragrance review for you for English Laundry Oxford Bleu Femme. So this fragrance is actually from one of my Scentbird subscription boxes. This is phenomenal if you like fruity, sweet, slightly floral, more powdery, uplifting, chic scents. That's what this kind of smells like. Now, when you first smell, oh my God, it's so sweet, but not overwhelming. It smells like pineapples. It smells like pineapples and berries, like upon first sniff. But as it dries down, it has like a nice, powdery, musky smell. It smells really good. This fragrance is perfect for someone in their 20s to 30s. I don't think anyone older than that is going to quite fit this profile that I have in mind, right? When I smell this, it smells like, it smells like a prep school mean girl. As a matter of fact, you know who wore this scent? Regina George from Mean Girls. That's the person who would best fit this scent. So if you had to think of a profile of someone who wore this scent, Regina George. Those of you who, if you know, you know. Original Mean Girls. 2004. I was about to say 2024. The 2004 Mean Girls original Regina George. Mic drop. She would have worn this fragrance. Scent has a projection that extends past the arms, right? So it's not really an intimate scent, but it's definitely not a room-filling scent. So it extends like right around the bubble around the body. So we could say around 4 feet, 5 feet-ish around the body. Is longevity of the scent is going to last anywhere between 6 to 8 hours. So that's our time frame of when we can smell the scent before it begins to get so light that you're kind of going nose blind to it. We have our top notes of pineapple. Told y'all smell that first. Melon, red fruits, citrus, black currant, and green notes. So that's what you kind of smell at the top notes before everything really dries down. I did smell pineapple first, and I guess I can see like the red fruits in there. Middle notes are jasmine, violet, rose, orange blossom. You all know I love orange blossom. Lily of the valley, and osmanthus, which is funny because osmanthus, I don't feel like it's a good summer scent, but I feel like when they created and put like the right concentration in it, it works perfect, and it works well in this scent. Base notes of vanilla, musk, creamy, warm, gooey caramel, sensual amber, and earthy sandalwood. So that's pretty much what rounds out this scent. Perfect for work. It is a work safe scent. It's great for outings, picnics, brunches, running errands, workout. This is one of those like, I'm just gonna do whatever, or I just need an at-home scent because I'm not doing anything for the day, I'm relaxing, I'm whatever. This is that scent. It's not overwhelming. It doesn't feel like it's for a special occasion. You can honestly wear it almost any time. Or if you're a school or college bound individual and you're definitely giving prep school, mean girl, valley girl vibes, this could fit you too. If you have this fragrance, I want to hear from you. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Is it a compliment getter for you? Let me know. I need you to stop doing what you're doing real quick. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.